Hello, everyone. It is a great privilege and an honor to speak on this topic, which is STEM opportunities for the girl child. But it is not just for the girl child, it is for everybody seated here in this room today. Yes, STEM is a very, 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 very big opportunity for everybody, not just for a particular set of people, but for everybody. In order to commemorate the International Day for the Girl Child, first, I would like to give thanks to the Gutsy Women Network for putting this together, for bringing this opportunity right in front of you. So come along with me. Let me show you things that you need to know about the STEM industry, STEM education. First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Okoli Matiwada, the co-founder and the CTO, Better Life Health Service. I am a tech entrepreneur and also a mobile app developer with years of experience in mobile app development. I have been opportune to develop mobile applications for banks, small and medium enterprises, and also co-founded my company with a medical doctor, which is actually helping people today to get access to blood. My company is around the health space, and I was able to achieve this with the knowledge of STEM. So today, I will be unleashing so many opportunities in STEM. Why not come with me? Let me show you. But before we go further, I just want to show you some of the awards that I've won around the STEM space. So I have won the African Impact Initiative Award in Canada and also went forward to win the AI for Good African Challenge in Algeria, the Digital Innovation Alliance Summit in India, and also the most innovative student, University of Abuja. And I also won a student undergraduate research grant from the University of Abuja. Won several awards, but just to mention a few. What is STEM? So each letter stands for a school subject. And can you guess what they are? Are you guessing? Okay, let's find out the answer. So this is STEM. S stands for science, T stands for technology, E stands for engineering, and M stands for mathematics. So these four subjects actually makes up what? STEM. So what does science allows us to do? Science allows us to be very curious about things. We can explore our questions about how and why things happen through science. So when you start asking yourself, how does this thing work? Why does it work this way? So if you're thinking that way, that is actually a scientific path that you're pushing yourself into. And technology lets us like use knowledge to discover new tools. Now you've been asking yourself, okay, why does this thing work the way it works? How does it work? Now you apply technology to it. The knowledge that you have that, okay, if I should do this thing, it will make this work easier. Then you create tool using technology to make things like easier for you. So what does technology let us know? To make complex tasks more simple, explore information, and also we invent new tools every day to improve our everyday lives. So the E stands for engineering. So engineers design and create everything from building to computer apps. Take, for example, a bridge. You must have been asking yourself this question. Is this bridge actually floating on the river? Because if you're traveling, you tend to like see different bridges, right? It is very easy for us to cross the river today because we have different means, different ways to cross the river. You can either use canoe, can use what? Speedboat, or you take the bridge. Yes. So engineering lets us to what? Solve problems, innovate, find out how things work. Now we move to the last one, which is mathematics. So math is a study of numbers, shapes, and logics. We use it every day, every day. You calculate with your brain every day, both in school, at home, your private life. You use it as well because you tend to like calculate every single day of your life. Now, let's explore the opportunities in tech. Your first, we talk about artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is technology that enables computers and machines to simulate human learning, comprehension, problem solving, making decisions, creativity, and also autonomy. When I say autonomy, I mean they do things on their own, like they think like humans. They are very, very creative. Let's move to the next one, robotics. I believe everyone here is familiar with the word robot, yeah? Yes. You watch cartoons, you see different robots, you see them working like humans. What do they really do? Is this an opportunity as well that we need to explore? Yes, it is a very, very big opportunity in STEM because for you to be able to build a robot, you need to understand the concept of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Yes, the engineers that actually build the robot, they encapsulate so many mathematical things, so many technological things, so many scientific knowledge to be able to build a robot. Yes. So as a STEM beneficiary, you can be able to do all of this and then pursue your career in robotics, data science, software engineering, cybersecurity, UI UX design. These are a lot of opportunities that you can explore as a STEM beneficiary. Now, I'm about to show you people that you can look up to, in the STEM space as well, that will inspire you to pursue your career. Voila! We have the likes of Dr. Feifei Lee. This lady has actually done a lot, in terms of contributing things to the AI space. So what has she done? She's prominently known as a major computer scientist for significant contributions to the field of artificial intelligence, particularly in the space of computer vision, in terms of imagery. So she founded a company called what? ImageNet. Yes, that is that for Dr. Feifei Lee. For those of us that want to, pursue our career in the aspect of artificial intelligence, you can read up her story and then learn from her. Moving to the next one, we have the queen of computer. Grace Hopper is a renowned lady known for pioneering contributions to computer programming and software development itself. You can see that the history of software development actually started with women. Yes, women. So I'm giving you these people to be able to like look up to as your role model because we wouldn't have gotten any solid computer space today without the help of these ladies. Next, we move to Margaret Hamilton. This woman led the team that developed the onboarding flight software for NASA. You've been hearing about human landed on moon and this and that. Who actually pioneered it? This woman did. She wrote the code that landed those people on the moon. Long time ago, some set of researchers and scientists from NASA actually embarked on a journey to go to the moon as the first humans to land on the moon. So they needed support from Earth as well. They needed people to be able to write the program that will actually launch them into space. So this woman was best known for her code that she wrote. So the world's first computer programmer is actually a woman. Ada Lovelace. Congratulations to all the ladies in the house. This Ada Lovelace, she worked closely with Charles Babbage. I know your math teacher must have spoke a lot about Charles Babbage, right? The person who designed the analytical engine, an analytical engine for solving mathematical problems way back, way back in the 18s, right? In the 18s. So these people actually have the knowledge, of creating computers even before computer became an invention. So they were doing things. So she wrote the first programming languages with what? Punch cards. Yes, punch card to be able to like tell the machine what to do. when to do it, and how to do it. You should look up to these people because they are great role models in the STEM space. We have lots of females that have done great things. But today, the population of the ladies in the STEM space is actually very low. 27% of the population of ladies actually get involved in what? STEM. These women have actually done a lot, a great thing for the world at large. So why don't you talk to yourself today and pursue a career in the STEM space so that one day your name too will be heard. One day, you too, you'll be known for solving a real world problem. Check around. Look at your environment. What is that problem that a lot of people are actually suffering from that you need to solve? You have it in you. You're going to school every day. You get taught in classes. You go back home. You come back to school. You need to learn how to apply what you're learning in school to solve real world problems. And by doing so, one day, I believe your name too will be among the list of these women, known for creating solutions to problems, known for creating real things that people can actually value. So I challenge you all today. Seize the opportunity. There are great things that you can do with science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. There are great things that you can do. So it's far beyond sitting in class and going back home every day. You have to be creative. You have to learn how to solve real world problems because the future begins right from where you are now. You have to make use of what you have to get what you want. What do I mean by that? The knowledge that you have in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, you need to put it into good use. Now, how do you go about becoming a software engineer? How do you get started? So, you need to learn, form a group. What does your circle of friends do? So, I need you to be very creative from now henceforth. Think about the things that you can build to help your society. Think about the things that you can build to help your school. Think about possible solutions that you can provide to problems. And I would like to end with this, with the law of diminishing intent. Yes, I know some of you will be hearing it for the first time. The law of diminishing intent. It says, the longer you wait to do things, the greater odds that you will never do them. What does that mean? If you keep telling yourself that I will do it tomorrow, I will do it tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow, there's a greater chance that you will not even do it at all. Do not procrastinate. Start now where you are. Use what you have to become the best that you would ever envision to be. Thank you so much. And I want to see you all tomorrow, becoming great scientists, great technologists, great physicists, great mathematicians, because these ladies that you're seeing here, they are all great mathematicians. They are great mathematicians. Okay, and I'll end with this note. A very big shout out to the Gutsy Women Network for giving me this great opportunity, to talk to you all. And I believe at the end of this, you'll be able to come up with a decision to pursue a career in STEM. Thank you and see you at the top.